curriculum, in this video you will learn how to play Riptide. If you would like to see more videos like this one, learn how to play ukulele from scratch, reviews, unboxings, then subscribe to this channel. Welcome to the family, let's get started. First, make sure that your ukulele is tuned. Also, make sure that your chord hand nails are really short so that you can curve the fingers and make ringing notes. Our first chord is going to be A minor. Make sure that you have a very curved hand that's not touching the other strings. Play this with your middle finger. Next, hop over to G chord. And notice what happens when I move from A minor to G. Look up, look at my hand. So from A minor, look at my hand, G. It has to curve or pivot inwards to make those chords fit. If you do this, it might not fit. So curve it in. And then we will need C chord. Later on in the song, we will need F chord. So you can do it with me now. But we only need it for like a little tiny piece of the song. Okay, let's switch from A minor to G to C. 1, 2, A minor, go. Switch to G, go. Switch to C, go. C again, go. A minor now. I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls starting conversation. Most of the song follows the pattern A minor, G, C, C. But when we get to the bridge, we need to do A minor, G, C, F. So let's try that real quick. A minor, G, C, F. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, G chord. C, ready, go. F, ready, go. A minor, ready, go. I just wanna know. Keep going, ready, go. If you're gonna stay. Go. La 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 la. La 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 la. There's a little tiny piece of the song that gives us a ukulele solo. So let's learn that real quick. It's easy. Just watch me do it first and then we'll break it down. It's really repetitive, right? Let's try to do the first 4 notes. 1, 2, ready, go. Try again, ready, go. Again, ready, go. And then the next 2 notes are just, try those 2 with me, ready, go. Again, go. Let's try to put the whole thing together. 1, 2, ready, go. Again. One more time. As I listen to the song, it seems like the most important part really is the strumming. So let's spend some time there mastering that. Notice there are times when I'm moving my hand without touching. The point of this is to get the rhythm going and to make it sound very natural. So let's call those ghost strums. So it sounds something like this. Down, down, ghost, ghost, up, down, down, ghost, ghost, up, down, up. Try it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, ghost, ghost, up, down, down, ghost, ghost, up, down, down, ghost, ghost, up, down, up. Now let's try to switch chords. If you're taking a while to switch, that's fine, but keep this hand moving no matter what. So even if you're still trying to switch to G, keep this hand moving. The biggest mistake I see beginners make is that they do this. And then they wait to land on G and then continue. Don't wait. Just keep this hand moving, okay? A minor to G, get ready. Make sure your hand is pivoted inward so that you're ready. 1, 2, slowly go. Down, down, up, down, switch. Up, down, switch. 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 The only time the strumming pattern changes is in the chorus, so let's practice that right now. Watch me do it first and then we'll do it together. Together. Let's say that right about now you're feeling a little frustrated because either this hand is not switching on time or this hand is not doing the strumming pattern. Let me give you some tips. The first thing that you can do is click the settings icon. I believe it's on this side, and change the speed of the video. You can slow the video down to a speed that suits you. The next thing you can do is to practice only the chords without this hand. So do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's all about building the muscle memory and having your hand kind of move there organically without you having to think about it so hardly. And finally, if it's the strumming you're struggling with, then just rest your hand on the neck like a feather, no squeezing, just like a feather, like a sleepy hand, and do the strumming. It might help if you say the strumming pattern as you're like doing the rhythm. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Or the other one, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Do you recall the section where he goes, oh? You can do that on your ukulele. Listen, and then we'll like break it down so we can play it. Do that part. Ready, go. Again, ready, go. Next part. Again, ready, go. So try the whole thing. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. They come unsung. Every once in a while, I will make a song my own by changing something about it. So this is a finger picking pattern that I've been doing with this song. Lady, running down to the place assign one finger per string, and you're gonna do thumb, index, and these two together. Thumb, index, these two. Make sure you're not pulling. That, like, don't pull, that's too harsh. Just down and then up, up. And then play with the index finger after that. So thumb, index, these two, index. Thumb, index, these two, index. 1, 2, 3, 4, 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 index. So now let's add the switch. Let's do it super slow. 1, 2, A minor, go. Switch. Switch. Again. Switch. Now let's do it up to tempo without stopping the pattern. 1, 2, ready, go. Keep going. Lady, running down to the Riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your lieutenant. I love it when you're singing that song, and I get a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I get a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Be gentle if you're ending. Okay, let's play a little bit of the song together. Play it in the style that you would like to play it in. By the way, subscribe to this channel. 1, 2, intro, go. Again. Verse. I was scared of dentists in the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in their dreams. They come unstuck. Lady, running down to the Riptide, taking away to the dark side. Now let's play from the bridge, again in the style that you would like to play it in, but remember, this one we're adding F chord, okay? 1, 2, A minor, go. I just wanna know if you're gonna sing. I just gotta know. I can have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Lady, running down to the Riptide. So now that we're kind of done, you can relax, massage the hands, and let me know in the comments below, how did you do? How close are you to finishing the song? Or were you able to finish the song? I really like hearing from you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to the family, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!